Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the update can run smoothly. Plug the phone into a charger and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions and avoids cellular data costs. Once done, check storage and free at least a small percentage for temporary files, and run a quick backup to Google or a local computer so you can recover settings. Now open Settings, tap System, then System Update to check for Android 15. The process starts here. You tap Download and allow the update to fetch files. The system shows size and estimated time so you can gauge progress. Make sure you remain on a stable Wi-Fi and keep the charger connected, because power loss halts installation and can corrupt the update. Once the package finishes, confirm install and the device will reboot into the updater. It applies the update outside Android, which can take several minutes. During this phase, do not interrupt the device or press hardware buttons unless you finish by completing the first boot setup prompts and signing back into your Google account so syncing resumes. This restores preferences and accounts. Make sure to update all apps in the Play Store to ensure compatibility, and if things feel slow, clear individual app caches or let the system optimize apps for a short while. If the device fails to boot or loops, boot into recovery mode to wipe cache. If that fails, restore your backup or perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.